Oh, hello, husband. Are you okay?
Yep.
Why is it you like coffee? Why majority of an older people want coffee instead of milk?
What do you mean, older people?
What do you call you? And younger?
I'm just trying to avoid the subject altogether. I don't think too many Americans are coming and enjoying the 3-in-1 coffee. Do you?
Yeah, because majority that
Like this.
majority that we've known, they always want Americano or coffee barako, or which is I find it so bad taste.
It seems bitter, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Well,
some
this is
some
what-
of them wanted the stick coffee, and then that's what they do. And I said, how would they gonna taste it?
I got to get some cold water.
Yeah.